Sup guys, today we are doing a Audi A3 MQB. It's 2013. So today I'll show you how part of the process works. I'm not going to show the complete process. So what I'm doing today is I'm reading the flash and the EEPROM of this. I read the data out the gearbox, and next will be the clocks. Once I read that data, I'm going to decrypt it, confirm it, and then I'll show you how I do that for the most part, and how I do my sync files, and we'll go from there. And then I've got a wiring problem. So yeah, once I get done with the next step, once I get done with this step, I'll show you the next step, and so on and so forth. So guys, next on my list is I'm going to be reading these with some adapters, and then we'll get the data out of that. I've got the ECU, I've got the gearbox. Next on my list is this, and once I do that, I'll calculate the sync data, make a file and program it.
Hey guys, a quick splicing because I would like to show you the process I use to make sync files. Now, personally, I made all these tools myself that you're seeing on the screen. You just log into I log into it, I should say, and then I go to MQB data tools. What else I've made is a hex editor, so I can open it up and I can load all my bin files up and stuff like that. That is available for everyone, but the MQB tools are not. It's more personal usage, the entire thing is, but it will be open to people in the future. Now, obviously, the first thing I did do was I did the gearbox. So if I get the gearbox files here, I put them in, it decrypts it, I click extract data, and I can pull my CS code out, the bin number, the model, all the good stuff. The next then, I did the cluster, and these are usually locked from thing. When you get them encrypted, so you got to decrypt them first. It's the same if you have an ELF, but I can pull the data, no problems. I can also put the sync file and dump file in, and show all the CS code of the car and everything else. Now the ECU I do not read on here. I do it in a different manner. I use different software on my PC for that. I didn't actually make it web-based, just to stop abuse and for safety reasons. And I also make the sync data offline as well. The reason I got into doing all this was just to save time and effort of relying on other people and making sure I could do the job quick as possible, quicker than everyone else, and get it done the same day. So without further ado, I'll let you get to the end of the video. I do appreciate you watching as always.
Right, we've had the clock out, we've got the key, we've got the ECU done, we've got the gearbox. Now we're going to learn the key, hopefully, no problems. Cluster, IMO, open, number of keys to learn, 1. Is this key, new key with keyless? No. Hopefully, it'll be that simple. It's a data ignition switch, keep turn on for 2 seconds. Okay. Key learned 1 of 1. Awesome. Key successful. And now we got a bit of power, so she is programmed. Let's see if it starts, is it? Oh. And it's done. All keys lost, MQB. All sorted. And I keep dropping everything. But yeah. MQB all sorted. All keys lost. That's simple. Call Ed Jones Mobile Locksmith.